Hello everyone, this is English Discussion Assignment Session 5 Part 2. Here are types of food and non-food that we can find in supermarkets. Food products. Number 1, fresh product. Include fruits such as apples, bananas, orange, and more. Vegetable such as celery, carrots, potatoes, herb, and more. Number 2, dairy product such as milk, yogurt, cheese, butter, egg, and more. Number 3, meat such as beef, chicken, fish, seafood, and more. Number 4, bread and cakes such as cookies, cakes, biscuits, and more. Number 5, grains such as rice, pasta, cereal, flour, and more. Number 6, snacks such as chips, biscuits, candy, chocolate, and more. Number 7, frozen food such as frozen vegetable, frozen fruits, frozen meals, ice cream, and more. Number 8, canned food such as soup, canned vegetables, canned fruits, nuts, and more. Number 9, beverages such as juice, soda, mineral water, tea, coffee, and more. Number 10, condiments such as ketchup, mustard sauce, mayonnaise, other sauce, and more. Other, such as oil, vinegar, sugar, salt, honey, and more. Non-food product, household supplies, including cleaning supplies such as tissues, trash bag, and other. Personal care soaps such as shampoo, toothpaste, deodorant, and other. Beauty products such as makeup, skincare, hair care, and other. Baby products such as diaper, wipes, formula milk, baby food, and other. Pet supplies such as pet food, pet toys, cat litter, and other. Office supplies such as pen, pencil, paper, notebook, and other. Electronic such as battery, light, and other. House supplies such as small kitchen appliances, cleaning supplies, and other. Book and magazine such as novels, comics, notebooks, magazine, and other. Clothing. Thank you.